Hey team, there's a lot of trailer companies on the market, but when you're in the market to purchase one to carry your precious watercraft, it's really hard to go past Australian made. So today we've come up to visit a true icon. They've been in the market for well over half a century. Redco and Tinker Trailers. And the beauty of these guys, they're built with quality Australian workmanship. Let's take a look. So Josh, tell me about the different varieties of trailers on the market, mate.
Yeah, absolutely. We do a variety of trailers in steel and aluminium. We do trailers that suit little tinnies, 3 metre tinnies, right up to your big boys of 4.5 tonne, 9 metre tri-axle sort of gear. The big ones that you want to tow around the country with some quality gear. We order the steel from Orcon, which is another great Australian company. It's all Australian milled steel that we use here. The steel comes in and then it's prepped and it leads into the fabrication shed. It's then cut, drilled, bent or rolled into formation. Then it comes down to the welders and put into our jigs that we have for all of our series of trailers, all welded together, you know, to suit the customer's requirements and needs. And then off to the galvanising plant, and then you get a product like this here.
You guys do everything here, obviously from the front to the end, but the dipping or galvanising is off-site. You bring it all back here, but everything remains Australian made.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we're very proud of the fact that we're a hands-on company. We've got 20 Australian employees and we manufacture as much of the components as we possibly can here. We do outsource the galvanising, which is the leading galvanising plant in Australia here at Carroll Park. And they're just around the corner from us and they support the product and us really well too.
Tell me about things that people overlook when it comes to a trailer. Heavy, light, size of boat, should they have drive on, drive off?
Really communicating with your dealer the application that you want to use the trailer for. If you're going to beach launch, if you're going to travel really long distances, if you've got some corrugation you need to get across to get to your fishing destination, we can cater for all of those things. We have the ability to cater for those things, and there's a wide variety of upgrades available in the Redco range that can cater for any way that you want to use your vessel.
What's the difference between an aluminium and a steel trailer?
Yeah, look, it really depends on the application of the end user. If you're going to do a lot of kilometres on bitumen road and you're trying to get your package weight down, or you've got a car that can only tow 3.5 tonne and you're really close to that limit, aluminium trailers are a great option, you know. And obviously being aluminium, cross members, drawbars, side rails, it's not going to rust away ever. In a unique way, we make all of our aluminium trailers here on site. We don't have to outsource anything. So we get the lengths of I-beam in, we cut it to length, we then bend it to our tooling. You know, we then fit all the componentry onto the trailers, add in all the cross members and come up with a really great end product.
Now that is so much easier. A big trailer, you have visual side of it, you can easily reverse it compared to a smaller box trailer, I can tell you that now. Look, Redco and Tinker Trailer Company, these guys have over 150 dealers spread right across this amazing country of ours. So the next time you want to get yourself a new boat trailer, maybe upgrade your old one, go and check out one of those dealers and I'll be more than happy to help you out.